Hello, Crypto Finder crew. Welcome back. Today, I want to discuss 5 major factors that Cathie Wood from ARK Invest believes will contribute to the continued bull run of Bitcoin. Now, despite Bitcoin being in a bearish market today, if you look at the bigger picture, we must bear in mind that the cryptocurrency market cap is still at a whopping $700 billion US, having once seen a $1.3 trillion market cap. With that being said, ARK Invest, the firm led by Cathie Wood, predict that Bitcoin's market cap could grow to $28.5 trillion in 2030. According to Yassin El-Mandra, I think I've pronounced that correctly, forgive me if I butchered it, Bitcoin's market cap could scale more than 25-fold in the next decade. I'll leave a link in the description below to this report. So in theory, that would make today's price of Bitcoin, being $38,000 per coin, a definite buying opportunity. Imagine buying a Bitcoin for $38,000 today, and by 2030 you've got $1 million sitting in the bank.
Not bad.
Right, let's talk about why it could happen. Now, Yassin El-Mandra, the analyst, goes on to say that our research suggests that Bitcoin has the potential to transform monetary history by providing financial freedom and empowerment in a fair, global, and distributed way. The report lists 5 reasons for this bold prediction. Number 1. Market participants are focused on the long term. Bitcoin's long-term holders aren't selling. Despite reaching a record high price in November 2021 and then falling sharply, on-chain data shows that Bitcoin holders are focused on the long-term potential. Long-term investors hold 13.5 million Bitcoins. That's more than 70% of the current available Bitcoin supply. Number 2, Bitcoin's cumulative transfer volume increased by 463% in 2021. And Bitcoin's annual settlement volume has surpassed that of Visa payments volume. The transaction volume grew from $2.3 trillion in 2020 to $13.1 trillion in 2021. Number 3, Bitcoin's continuing to scale. Bitcoin activated TAPROOT in November 2021. This is a base layer protocol upgrade designed to increase the privacy and efficiency of Bitcoin's transactions. Another upgrade was the Lightning Network. This is a layer 2 payment protocol built on Bitcoin. Lightning Network's goal is to enable fast transactions and has been proposed as a solution to the Bitcoin scalability problem. Scalability is a significant barrier that restricts the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. If scaled properly, a blockchain network can handle millions, if not billions, of transactions per second. In this context, the Lightning Network changes low fees by transacting and settling off-chain, allowing for new use cases like instant micropayments that can solve the traditional can you buy a coffee with crypto conundrum, speeding up the process times and reducing the expense or energy costs associated with Bitcoin's blockchain. I want to hear what you have to say. Do you think that we should find ways to make Bitcoin more efficient and carbon neutral? Or should we just invent a more clean and up-to-date technology, like Facebook has attempted with the Deem project? Number 4, wide adoption. Exchange-traded products, countries, and corporations held 8% of Bitcoin's supply as of November 2021. And the total value of this was $89 billion in November, with the largest non-custodian holder, GRAYSCALE Bitcoin Trust, with 654,200 Bitcoin. Companies weren't the only entities to hold Bitcoin. El Salvador, the country, was the first country to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender. There are more crypto wallets in the country than traditional bank accounts. How crazy is that?
That's insane.
Number 5 is mining. Bitcoin miners generated a revenue of $16.7 billion in 2021. And ARK's analysts see Bitcoin mining as an incentive to discover cost-efficient energy sources, independent of location and consumer demand. For example, El Salvador has announced that it will start mining Bitcoin with energy from volcanic activity. And the same report from ARK said that mining will encourage and generate more electricity from renewable and carbon-free sources. But Bitcoin is beaten down, and so are ARK's investment funds. It's worth noting that both Bitcoin and Wood have struggled lately. After reaching a record high in November 2021, Bitcoin has lost almost half its value, and ARK's funds have also performed poorly. Its flagship fund, ARK Innovation ETF, is down more than 50% since February 2021. But this fund has gained 228% in the past years, even with a poor 2021. And Wood has stood behind this strategy of investing in cutting-edge tech and stocks. And of course, whether the Bitcoin prediction happens remains to be seen. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing weekly videos like this, so stick around and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.